Just slide that on there, and that will stop the thread from whizzing off when we're sewing. Pull the thread towards you, and then we're going to follow the guides. They're all numbered on this machine, so it should be pretty straightforward. So go around 1, come around 2, bringing it down, around the tension spring, over the thread take-up lever, so swing it from right to left, bring it back down, and then around the hook like that. So I'll show you that again. Around the hook like that. Now you've got a special feature on this machine. You actually have a needle threader, and it's this little lever that you pull down, push it back so it brings the hook forward, and that hook goes through the eye of the needle. You wind your thread around the long tooth there and bring it underneath the small tooth on the far right. When you pull that back, it will bring your thread through. Now I've got quite a long thread there, so keep pulling until you're back down to one single thread, and you can cut that thread off. And there you go. So that's threaded up the needle. Place the fabric in there, make sure it's underneath that oval there. That's where the needle enters the fabric and also goes through the needle plate there. So make sure your fabric is inside that area there. And there we go, we can put the presser foot down. Okay, foot on a foot controller, and let's go. As I come to the end of the fabric, I will make sure I use the hand wheel, turn it towards me, get that thread take-up lever to the top, and then I can release. When I lift the press foot, I can release my fabric. Use a cutter, and that's the design of the stitch 13.